Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language on your Brave browser on your mobile device. Keep watching this video till the end to know how you can do so, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, plus press the bell icon so you get notified for any of our upcoming videos. Simply tap open the application of Brave. Now on the bottom of the screen you will see a three-dot line on the right. A pop-up menu will open from there. Now you will need to tap on settings. To change the language for your Brave browser, you can scroll down until you see an option for language, which you can find under the display option. Tap on language. Currently United States English is selected. To change, simply tap on it and then search for your preferred language. After you select the language, you simply need to close the application and then reopen it. And just like that, your language on Brave browser has been changed.